We start with 1 hour chart. Just I want to give a quick update. First of all, if you refer to my last analysis, since the price was within this down move, I mentioned if we get any reversal, any trade setup for buy, we will take it. And even we mentioned we want to see whether the price can break 26.1 or not. As we can see, 2 times the price tag, even we refer to this was the price couldn't break. And that's why this is where we have been looking for buy. That's why I mentioned if we get any reversal for buy, we will take it. And for those traders, if they get the trade, if they want to put their fib in relative to this move, right now the price tag, the first and second target. If they want to keep the take out the profit for as the take profit for the 27 and 61.8% as a one first and second targets, the price almost take the targets again based on the fee for this move. That means they can take out the trade in the profit. All right, but in the bigger picture, we have been looking for these levels. All right, and as we can see based on forward chart, the price we have been looking for the breakout of 28.7 following by 30.6. The price break the first two level, the next one we're looking for is 32.2. That's why for those traders, they get the trade within this one. If they want to keep the trade, at least move their stop loss to break even. If they don't want to take the trade in the profit, right? Or if they want, I mean, if they are looking for the long term, or at least they can either move their stop loss to break even or book some profit, right? Now, want to see what's the next. If we move to daily chart, what we have been looking for, we have been looking for the reversal, and as we can see, the price couldn't break 26.1. And now want to see whether we can look for continuation or not. All right. In this case, we don't have anything else to discuss based on daily chart. And if we move to forward chart, one of the reasons we have been looking for the reversal, because we discussed about the divergence. Even the price couldn't break the lowest price, which was 25.5. I mentioned if we get any reversal, any trade setup for buy, we take it. Again, we have been looking for the first one as a 28.7. The price broke already. The second one level was 30.6. The price broke. The next one we're looking for is 32.2. All right. Now, one thing we need to highlight here, whether this is the start of the up move or we can expect this one turn to flat for one more drop. This is where we need to be quite careful, because the most important things we see the breakout of the previous top. All right. If the price cannot continue and break, if this, we can expect this one turn to flat in relative to this for one more drop. We are not looking for the price to give us one more drop. We're looking for continuation. The reasons I'm highlighting about this, if anyone from now, they want to look for trade as long as the price haven't broke 33.6, any trade within this range, they should consider as a short-term trade. That's why for those traders, they get the trade within this range, at least move their stop loss to break even. Do we have any trade setup right now based on forward chart? We don't have it. And how about if we move to 1 hour chart? Even based on 1 hour chart, we don't see any trade setup. When we say trade setup, at least, I mean, because it doesn't mean the price cannot continue from here. The only thing is for usually when we want to look for trade, we need to get the trade set up before we take the trade. That means simply we cannot buy at this point. Then at least we need to get the flag if we want to look for the next trade, either based on 1 hour or 15 minutes, depends on the traders, which time frame they're using. All right. By the way, as long as the price haven't break the previous top, that means any trade from within this range, we consider as a short term. What do I mean by short term? As long as we get into the profit, we start to manage it. At least move our stop loss to break even. All right, because explain based on forward chart, we can expect this one turn to a bigger flat or correction for one more drop. Anyway, still we're looking for continuation. Right now, we're looking to see the breakout of 32.2. If there is a breakout, the next level is a previous top, which is somewhere around 33.6. And if we get any trade setup for buy from now, we will take it. In this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.